In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom login page in WordPress for a seamless user experience. Creating a custom login page in WordPress can greatly enhance the user experience, especially for those managing membership sites or online stores. As you can see, this is how the login page is displayed for my website for now. Now, I want to make a custom login page for my WordPress website. For that, simply log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Now search for the Theme My Login plugin, and from various plugins, this is going to be the one that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. It's now time to configure the settings. So here are various settings that the plugin offers. Under Login, choose the login type, username only, email only, or default for both. Scroll down to the registration type, password settings, and registration slug. You can change every setting as per your requirement. Explore additional customization options available in Theme My Login. You can modify the appearance, add custom redirects, and more to tailor the login page to your site's aesthetics. Click Save Changes to apply the configuration. Now let's log out and check the custom login page in action. And this is how easy it is to create a custom login page in WordPress for a seamless user experience. Before leaving, you can also learn how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress posts. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.